Good afternoon na.
Okay. Today I'll start with 1 minute and 10 seconds starting.
Ano ba ako? 34.
40. Miga ka na.
Hindi to higa dapa.
40 ka? Congratulations kasi for your kalagayan.
Magpe-present pa ako next week.
Very good. 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bagong gising. Quack, 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 quack.
Nag-OT po ako ng 3 hours. More than 3 hours. Mga 3 and a half.
4 hours na ang tulog mo kasi.
Kain na lang. Pero matibay, nagpap ng.
10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding! Good job! Good job!